Hey guys, you're watching Tech Radar. I'm Basil and this is a Sony Xperia XZ2 Compact. This little compact flagship is exactly that, a compact flagship. Snapdragon 845 and a 5-inch screened device that feels like a 4.7-inch screen device. It's pressing all our buttons. You've got loudspeakers on here, 20% louder according to Sony than its predecessor. The 18:9 screen is full HD plus as well, so really nice high resolution, high pixel density as well. Front 5-megapixel camera. Down at the base is a USB-C port. No headphone jack, but in the box you will get a dongle, USB-C to 3.5mm jack. On the left-hand side, SIM slot, micro SD card slot and all that jazz, while on the right you've got the volume rocker and power buttons. Up at the top, nothing of note, just a noise-cancelling mic, but at the back, that is where everything sits. It's going to make this phone stand out. That 19-megapixel rear camera supports up to full HD 960 frames per second slow-mo for the first time ever. You also have that fingerprint scanner as well. Introduced on the XA2 line, the rear fingerprint scanners are a welcome break from the right-hand side thumb-mounted scanners. Will be better for left-handed people at the very least. This and the Sony Xperia XZ2 support 4K HDR. They are the world's first phones to support 4K HDR, which is really exciting. I can't wait to test that out. Inside you've got Android 8 with Sony's custom user interface over the top and powered along by that 845 with 4GB of RAM and finally 64GB of storage in a compact model. This thing should fly. With just shy of 3000 milliamps of juice under the hood, it should also last a full day as well, making this the most compact device with a 5-inch screen that I personally have seen. Up to 800 megabits per second download speeds. You've also got no wireless charging on here. That is one key difference between it and the Sony XZ2. But with most of the key elements brought forward, IP68 water and dust resistance, this looks like a compact competitor. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. If you want to know more about this and the Sony Xperia XZ2, techradar.com is your destination. Thanks for watching.